What's up, guys? Welcome back. Let's take a look at some back testing, right? So I've gotten some feedback and some questions about the how I do my back testing and the back testing templates. I figured I'd do a quick video for you guys where I go through my process of back testing and how I use the back testing template, right? So first we have to come up with an idea. We need to backtest something, right? Let's try to backtest simple break and retest in a trending market, right? So we have USD JPY here. So we're going to see if we can go long and short based on just a simple break and retest with the trend. Or you know what? Let's just not do with the trend. Let's just do a normal break and retest, right? And what I mean by that is we have a level, price hits it as resistance, 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 breakout, retest, and that is where we want to long, and we want to have stop loss below last swing lows on whatever time frame we're watching. So this is the idea that we're going to backtest today. And I'm going to show you exactly how I do this. So here I have the backtesting template. Now this template is available for all Nest Club members of the Birb Nest. So right here you have the Nest Club chat, and if you scroll down here, you will see exclusive resources. In the exclusive resources, you will find a trade journal, and above that post, you will find the backtesting template. What you do is you press this link right here. It will take you to this template, which will load in a minute right here. And you will then press File, make a copy, and save it as whatever you like. All right. So that's what you're going to do. If you're not a Nest Club member, I'm actually going to upload this on YouTube. So if you're not a Nest Club member, join the free trial or join the Nest Club. You'll get access to this one right here. All right. Let's go. Let's take a look at this. So we want to look at the USD JPY. Let's look at the USD JPY. And let's go back 1 year. Press this go to button here on TradingView. So we go back 1 year. 2020. Right here. Use the replay function. Now I have no idea what is going to happen here. All I want to do is I want to taste. Yeah, let's not taste. Let's test. I want to test this ID here. And the idea is simple. If price is hitting resistance, we wait for resistance to break to the upside, and we want to go long on the first rounded retest of that resistance. If price hits support, breaks support to the downside, we want to go short on the first rounded retest of that support to the downside. So right here we have a level. Let's say we have a level here on the 4 hour. So let's say if we can break above that level. Replay bar can't be connected. What's going on? Weird. All right. We have a breakout, which led to a fake out. And as soon as we have our first trade, we are going to look at the backtesting template. We have another level right here. Let's see if we can get a rejection up at that area. Right here, we have a 4 hour bearish engulfing right here. So let's just go long. We'll go short here. Stops above the level. Take profit, down here, 2R. All right, that worked out pretty well. So we go to the backtesting template right here, and I will open up a new one. Duplicate. So we'll get a new one right here, and I will name this USD JPY BNR testing. Right here we can write break. We can name this template simple break and retest. TP strategy is just going to be 100% at 2R. Stop loss tactic will be original stop loss. So always original stop loss. We're not going to move the stop loss. Now, this is not a recommended setup, guys. We're just going to see if it works. I'm going to backtest this live to see if it works, how it works. And yeah, let's do it. And then let's describe. Testing a simple break and retest setup on USD JPY. All right. So our first trade, let's see Confluence. Let's add Confluence as a bullish engulfing. If there's a bullish engulfing on the entry, it's a 1. And if it's not a bullish engulfing, it's a 0. We will then compare the results. All right, USD JPY, first trade, 2R, bullish engulfing, yes. Result, 2R, bullish engulfing, 1 as in yes. Currently, we have a 100% win rate. Awesome. Let's see if we can continue this, right? Next level, you see how we have a somewhat of a downtrend right here. Something like that. Obviously not correctly drawn, but who cares really? Next level above would be this area. Let's see if we can get a rejection here. And if we do, we want to go short. Rejection, bearish engulfing. Let's try this again. Stop loss above. Take profit, 2R. That's a stop out. So that's a -1R. All right. So what do I mean with R? Right? It might be confusing. Well, you see this number 1 here, which says 2.06. That's the average risk to reward of this trade. If it's a winner, I will win 2.06 of whatever I'm risking. So it's a 2R. It's a twice. It's double the amount that I'm risking. So in this case right here, this one gets stopped out. It's -1R. So R is risk. It's minus whatever risk I'm risking. So it's +2R and -1R. And is there a bearish engulfing? Yes. Obviously, it doesn't have to be a bullish engulfing, just an engulfing. So engulfing. Yes. So let's continue. Now, we potentially have a long setup going on right here, right? Where you could go long if there's a rounded retest of this level right here. So let's see if we get that. If we get that, that would be a break in market structure as well, because you have a downtrend and a potential break in market structure. So let's see if we can get that. No, there's a rejection here. Another breakout. Let's remove the levels. Let's focus on the most recent price action right here. Looks like we might get a break above these highs right here. And if we do get that, I want to long the break and retest of that level. So I have a breakdown, and I want to short the bearish rejection of that level right there. If there is one, wow. Crazy. What happened right here was we came down and we hit that level right there. A rounded retest. You can look at the 1 hour as well. A beautiful rounded retest right here. So let's say we're gonna go long here. Obviously not the best type of setup here because the risk to reward is just pretty much terrible. All right, so that's a stop out. So that's a -1R. All right. So I'm not going to go into, I'm not going to look gonna end more on this. I'm actually gonna do rest of the webinar looking at Bitcoin because it looks like we're potentially going to break into new all-time highs in the next couple of hours, in my opinion. So we're gonna look at that. But this is just to show you how to backtest using the template. So that it was a -1R and it was not a bullish engulfing. That's a 0. So what you're seeing right here is a 33.3% win rate with engulfing, or on all trades, right? On all trades, 33.3% win rate, and the trades with engulfing candles is a 50% win rate. Now, if this relationship right here, if this continues, there's obviously something interesting going on with the engulfing candle, and you want to start working more on the engulfing candles. You now know that you should only look for trades where you have an engulfing candle, right? And then add another indicator to this, which might be perhaps the stochastics RSI. So you're only going to short if it's if it's hitting resistance or support, if it's hitting that level with a engulfing candle and a stochastic bull cross, which we are getting right here. We did not get one right here, and we did not get one right here. So using the stochastics RSI, we would only have taken one trade, and that would have been a winner. This would have been not a stochastic bull cross, not a stochastic bull cross. So we're kind of filtering out the bad trades by finding indicators and candlestick patterns, whatever, to find the high probability trades, and then we combine that into a profitable system, right?